Today I'm going to show you how to join in the round when you're knitting on circular needles. You cast on as normal. Here I've done a long tail cast on my circular needles, and the first thing you want to do is just to go all the way around, checking that all of your stitches are going to be aligned so that you don't get a twist in the beginning of your round. And when you're sure about that, then you can put on your beginning of the round marker, take up your working yarn. Here I'm going to just be doing a 2x2 rib, 2 knit stitches, 2 purl, here you can see that's where your join will be, and you just continue knitting all the way round, and when you come back to the marker, that's where you'll be beginning your second round, and you just keep going like that. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the button to like and subscribe.